Introduction. Windows is a platform for innovation. It's been the backbone of global businesses and startups. Windows is where many of us wrote our first email, played our first PC game, or wrote our first line of code. Windows is the place people go to create, connect, learn, and achieve. Today, billions rely on Windows for everyday tasks or work. Windows 11 and previous versions operate across a wide range of devices. These devices include desktops, laptops, tablets, and other touch-enabled devices like phones. To optimize the user experience, the Windows Client OS offers several editions. Each of these editions offers unique features. This module describes the new features in Windows. It will guide you on which version best meets your needs for your environment. This module will also cover the navigation and customization of the user interface. Objectives. After completing this module, you'll be able to describe Windows 10 and Windows 11, explain the new features available within Windows 10 and 11, explain the benefits of using the Windows Client OS for small and medium-sized organizations, discuss managing the Windows Client OS in an enterprise environment, describe the elements of the new Windows 10 and 11 user interfaces. Describe the Windows Client. Windows has been in use for over 3 decades. Organizations around the world have widely adopted the Windows Client operating system. The Windows Client operating system, or OS for short, is a stable and trusted platform. Servers, desktops, laptops, and tablets can all have Windows installed. Windows Client OS is available for application devices as well. Even Microsoft HoloLens and Xbox run specialized versions of Windows OS. Recently, Microsoft sought to expand the range of devices Windows supports. Windows is now more touch-centric to enable users to use the OS on handheld devices like tablets. Modifications to the OS architecture enabled support for non-Intel, processor-based devices. These include devices with ARM-based processors. Windows has focused on integrating cloud services and being part of a device ecosystem from work to home to school and phone. Windows includes an online store offering users a wide variety of easy-to-install applications. The Microsoft Store is like what users see on Android and Apple mobile devices. Windows 11 is the current version of Microsoft's client operating system. Windows 11 offers benefits over previous versions and provides functionality improvements. Microsoft developed Windows 11 on the same foundation as Windows 10, while Windows 11 offers further enhancements to the OS. Thus, the tools and methods for managing Windows 10 and 11 are similar. Before Windows 10, Microsoft created an updated version of their client operating system that capitalizes on the changes within the computer hardware industry. Microsoft also acknowledges changes in how users work with their computing devices. These architectural updates often incorporated changes to the user interface. Devices update through the Windows Update service. However, these updates are often maintenance related. These updates focus on enhancing security, performance, and minor feature improvements. Starting with Windows 10, Microsoft shifted from releasing a new version every few years to releasing new capabilities at regular intervals. Microsoft delivered new capabilities and features instead of replacing or upgrading the previous OS with a new version. This delivery method is similar to how OS updates are provided. We know this method of updates as Windows as a service. Even upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 can be performed using this service instead of the traditional upgrade method. We'll continue to cover Windows as a service in the next unit.